on a project. All right, so some things to address first. So all of our code is written in PHP 5.6.3.0, and we've included a setup SQL script that will create all the tables and insert all the values that we are using for this test, which I've already done. And our database is called Supply Depot, and we've used PHP to create this database. Okay, and all my files are, I'm running this test on OS X or Mac OS. So, and everything is going to be stored on localhost. So Macintosh H, you go to library, you go to web server and documents, and this is where all my values are stored. All of our files are stored at. And we've also included some JPEG files, or one JPEG file. So just some things I want to make sure of. Okay, and we've included a README file as well, and we've included some values that we recommend for this test. Okay, so this is our website, and we decided to do Starbucks Supply Depot database. Two of us work at Starbucks, and we decided to have green tag buttons because when you walk into Starbucks, all the aprons are green, you know. And so we have some espresso beans in the background. Pretty cool. None of us were really good at CSS or JavaScript that well, so it's pretty basic. But here, let me show you some examples. So if you click Show All Tables, it'll basically show you all the tables. We will have the table name, all the keys, yada yada yada. Yeah, we're not a fan of Whole Foods. Yeah. All right. So here, let me show you one example of kind of how the back end is being maneuvered with this UI. So let's say I use get all unified unfulfilled store requests, and you'll see, and we made story num, request num, and product num. We made them all equal to the same number, just for ease of use. So we have 1 and 3 in this current table. All right, so and these are unfulfilled requests, and this I can't really explain what this database is actually doing specifically. So we'll include a document that will go more in depth. But yeah, so we have 1 and 3 in the unfulfilled store request, and let's see if I want to look up a specific store, and let's say 1. Oh yeah, oh look, 1 showed up because when we clicked on unfulfilled store request, it was there. But you'll notice that 2 isn't there, so let's click on 2. Oh, just look at that. Oh, 2 is not there because it's our query didn't catch that, because rightly so, you know. All right. So these are unfulfilled requests. So if I put 1 in, the order filled, it means that the request was not filled. Same if I put in 3. Not. So 0 is unfulfilled, but if, let's say I put in 2 over here. Oh, my cursor is, it's dying on me. I'm lagging a little. Oh, ooh. Gotta say, oh, shit. Oh, gotta say I put in 2. Oh, and you'll see that 2 is fulfilled. Yeah. All right. Cool. Now let's say I want to see kind of the suppliers from the product numbers. So just put in 1. You see that 1 is Amazon. 2. Oops. Sorry about that. 2 is Whole Foods. 3 is Walmart's. Okay. And so for this guy right here, so remember that 1 and 3, these were unfulfilled store requests. So now let's say I fulfilled that request, and I'm going to change one of them. So 3, 1, 1. Okay, so we've changed that, and now, and what this is displaying to me now is what we just changed, basically. Okay, now let's look at the unfulfilled store request again, and voila, you'll see that the 1 is gone because we just changed it using that this right here. And if we look at, look at 1, oh, so that it has become filled now. Before it was a 0. So that is basically a short demonstration of the UI. This all seems very cryptic right now and probably doesn't make a lot of sense. But I think after you read the document and get a sense of what all these shipments and stores are doing, then it'll all make sense. All right, cool. I think that was it. Thank you very much.